Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to check your Direct Express balance in 2025. If you're one of the millions relying on Direct Express for federal benefits like Social Security, this quick guide will save you time and hassle. Let's dive right in. First off, what's Direct Express? It's a prepaid debit card issued by the U.S. Treasury for federal payments, and checking your balance is straightforward once you know the steps. The good news is that by 2025, options have gotten even more user-friendly with updated apps and security features. Step 1. The easiest way is online. Head to the official Direct Express website at www.usdirectexpress.com. Once there, log in with your username and password. If you haven't set one up yet, you'll need your card number and social security number to create an account. After logging in, navigate to the Balance section, and voila! Your current balance will pop up instantly. If you're more of a mobile person, Step 2 involves downloading the Direct Express mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. It's free and secure. Open the app, enter your login details, and tap on the balance icon. Pro tip: enable notifications so you get alerts for deposits or low balances. For those who prefer a voice on the other end, Step 3 is calling the customer service line. Dial 1-888-741-1115, follow the automated prompts, and enter your card details when asked. You'll hear your balance right away, perfect for when you're on the go. Now, a few quick tips to avoid common pitfalls. Always use secure networks for online access to protect your info, and double-check for any phishing scams. If you run into errors, like login issues, contact support immediately. They're available 24/7. There you have it, friends. Checking your Direct Express balance in 2025 is quicker than ever. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.